Meaning of intrauterine device.
Intrauterine device.
Intrauterine device.
Intrauterine device.
Intrauterine device. An intrauterine device, IUD, is a type of birth control that is inserted into the uterus to prevent pregnancy. It is a small, T-shaped device made of plastic or copper that is inserted by a healthcare provider and can remain in place for several years. The IUD works by preventing fertilization of the egg by blocking sperm from reaching it or by altering the lining of the uterus to make it less receptive to implantation. It is over 99% effective at preventing pregnancy and is a long-acting and reversible form of birth control.